Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Wink. The ticker's WIN. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. Really do appreciate everything that you do towards the growth of CoinsKid. Big thumbs up to all of you, okay? Thank you very much. Thanks for your comments, your likes, your shares, everything that you do to contribute towards CoinsKid, and your membership in the Telegram group there. So it's all golden. Thank you very much. Hope you have a really good weekend. So diving into WIN right now, you can see that what it's done, this is the 4-hourly time frame, okay? So a few days ago I made an update on WIN that if it was to lose a key level of support that it created for itself, then you could be looking at WIN rolling over, and it had a target as well, but it found support. It did find support because it was basically, this is called a throwback, where it starts to break down, it looks like it's losing support, then it comes back up on itself. So it's held the support that it created just there. Do you see that? So right now, if you start seeing it close below this particular level of support which it's created, then you will potentially look at that sort of reversal pattern, which would be wherever you broke out and loss of support, you could potentially see the breakdown. So that's a little 4-hourly pattern right there. So you can't see it close and start to lose this level of support because you will see it come down. So you've got that in play. So keep that in mind, okay? Because what you've got going on right now, you've got a nice little pattern emerging, confluence to the upside. So it's getting tighter, and it's sort of caught in this little kind of horizontal triangle, so to speak. At the moment, you've got this level of resistance and support that's created for itself. Do you see this? Yeah, so with WIN, you've got this lovely little horizontal triangle on the go here, which is a continuation pattern, and you have effectively come up into it. So it looks good for continuation, and just like BTT that we're targeting at the moment, this is the 4-hourly time frame, and you are actually above the EMA as you're coming closer and closer to the apex. So you've got a higher statistic of actually breaking out to the upside. So I'll give you the target of that particular breakout. It's something like this, okay? So you could see WIN as it gets closer and closer to the apex. You could look at a lovely little breakout there of around, and do target the breakout, because you could be looking at a lovely 15% pump there for WIN, and that would take you up through this resistance level of 050, because just like I've said to you, when you start to retrace, it's a difficult level to actually get through, okay? And once you get through it, you could start approaching this 0.618 golden ratio and attack that and try and get through that to bring you back up to this all-time high, and then effectively our price prediction up there for WIN. But to be honest, it's got a little bit flat, it's got a little bit sideways, and that's because primarily, just like I outlined in yesterday's BTT video, it's because you've got really overextended from the EMA. Okay, you can look where the EMA was, the big gap on the weekly. You was very, very overextended, and right now you're coming back to it. You've had the lovely little wick, and look how healthier this is beginning to look. You've got a little curl there, and it's starting to come back to it, and it's starting to sort of consolidate before you can see that sort of next leg up and that price appreciation taking you up there for WIN. So you've got some nice volume coming in as well for the bottom now on WIN. You see that nice volume. So theoretically, if you did see the pump today, you could be looking at an extra 425% appreciation for WIN up to that future price prediction. But to the all-time high here, you could be looking at a lovely little pump around 114% for WIN. It's just got a bit flat, it's going sideways, it's part and parcel of crypto, I'm afraid. It's what happens. It's boring, but you have back tested and held support really, really well, which is the weekly 20. So right now you are looking at a potential breakout coming quite soon. You can see the volume at the bottom. I'll tidy this up a little bit. You can see the volume at the bottom has absolutely just tailed off. Look at that, it's tailing off. That's always indicative of a breakout as well. So come onto your chart, draw this particular trend line. You can see you've got the support, the diagonal support, and you've got the diagonal resistance. So you are trapped in some kind of horizontal triangle with a potential breakout to the upside of that target. Now, failing that, if you did start to lose this particular level of support and start to roll over on the 4-hourly EMAs and did start to break down, then obviously you've got the breakdown target of roughly 15% as well. So as you can see, if you did start to break down, you would sort of come down towards that sort of level there. I will drop that in for you, that particular target just there, and then you've obviously got, if you break out of the apex as well, just there, you've got a lovely little upside, and upside's always better than downside, isn't it? You've got that lovely little upside just there for win up to that level. So do keep an eye on it, and I wish everyone luck, and hopefully we can get the upside, because it is a continuation trend. Look, we have kind of bottomed out here. We've got the reversal. Look at the recovery here for win. It's huge. It's massive at the moment. This was one of the biggest recoveries from the base there, 124%. I think the only one that I'm covering that was bigger was Harmony One. That was very, very big, and at the moment you can see you're up 95%. So with that, you've got to allow for a bit of a cool down, a little bit of sideways action, and you are in a nice little continuation pattern there in that horizontal triangle. You failed to lose that level of support the other day. So you didn't go short. You got a nice bounce off it. So there's a lot of support there. And again, keep an eye on the volume. When the break comes, this is the other thing I need to tell you. When you do see the break, you want to see volume in there, because it's confirmation of the break and the bias to whichever side. If it breaks down, you'll see a big red candle come in. If you see it go up, you see a nice big green candle come in like this, that supports you and sends you up into space, so to speak. So that's win. So far, so good. It's looking relatively healthy for continuation. Bit boring, bit sideways, bit flat, but that's part and parcel of crypto. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay tuned. Have a really good weekend, and I'm back tomorrow with another win update. Take care. Bye bye.